Welcome back to Rough Diamond Recipes. Today's recipe is Chilli Chicken Masala. As normal, a full list of ingredients can be found in the description box below. Well, it's my version of a Chilli Chicken Masala anyway. Okay, to make this curry, heat the oil in a suitably sized frying pan till nice and hot. Then add the whole spices. And those ingredients are the dried red chillies, the cloves, the green cardamoms, the black cardamom, cinnamon bark, and cumin and mustard seeds. And fry these off in the hot oil for a minute or two until the seeds start to crackle. Then it's time to add in the onions. Fry these onions off for a good 10 minutes until they're lovely and golden brown. Don't cut short this part, it's quite important to the taste of the curry. When this is done, it's time to add in the ginger garlic paste and mix through. Next you add the dry spices, which are the ground cumin, ground coriander, the turmeric and the chilli powder, and again mix through. After you've fried off the dry spices for a minute, it's time to add in the tomatoes and half a teaspoon of salt. Then mix the tomatoes through the onion mixture, add a small splash of water and put the lid on the pan for 5 minutes. After the 5 minutes are up, remove the lid from the pan and continue to cook until the tomatoes start to break down and you have something that looks like this. Then it's time to add in the chicken pieces and thoroughly mix in. Then put the lid back on the pan and cook for a further 10 minutes. When this is done, you should have something that looks like this. Next you add the garam masala and split green chillies and another splash of water and continue to cook until the right consistency is achieved. And that's how I like mine done, so mine's ready. Simply serve. Hope you enjoyed this recipe. Feel free to subscribe, share and like. Hopefully we'll see you soon again on the next one. Bye for now.